Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Thank you for tuning into this and every single episode of Hooked on OC. We are here to bring in a new sponsor and partner to the show. We are G&E Hardware on Cedar Neck Road in Ocean View, Delaware. I've been affiliated with these guys for a couple of years now. They've got my Deadly Tackle line in here. Awesome folks, and this year they've jumped on with Hooked on OC, and we really appreciate it very much. So we're going to do some segments throughout the year with them. We're going to start here at G&E Hardware. We're going to be down at the grocery store, showing you all kinds of stuff with the Hockers family locations. And today we're starting at G&E Hardware with Weber Grills. Ray, what's up?
How are you, man? Great to see you.
We were talking before we started the segment, and this is, you know, we kind of go through things. How's it going to go? What do we talk about? This is humongous. I had no idea that they had this much stuff here.
They have an incredible
as far as Weber
display.
Grills are concerned. And you've got some new things to talk about, some price reductions, which we don't hear nowadays.
No.
So what's up? Let's tell me about G&E Hardware and Weber Grills.
So first off, the selection they have here is amazing.
It's huge.
It's one of the things we love, and that they have so many accessories and all those things you might need for your grilling needs. Brand new this year for Weber is a Weber Slate flat top griddle.
This is really starting to come out now. You know, you see them on a lot of people's decks, a lot of social media trending going on with these. Tell me about this.
So 30 inches, 3 burners. Nice, easy clean out system for all that extra grease and fat and stuff.
That's coming,
So it's a really nice setup. And one of the big things this year, rust resistant. So most flat tops, you have to season them. You have to worry about them rusting if you don't maintain them. This has a rust-resistant finish on it, so you don't have to worry about that at all.
So you have
out of the box, ready to
give
cook.
It a quick clean, then you're ready to go.
Absolutely.
That's a really cool feature.
Yeah, very cool. Also, amazing little side piece here. This side table pops out, and it stores accessories right here on the side.
Slick.
So all your little tool caddies,
you know,
cutting boards so you can cut things up.
With a grill,
we do. We got some cup holders that hit on the side. You see a tool holder there. So very cool, neat setup for grilling. Have all your needs, all your accessories right there.
Very nice.
And we also have it in an amazing portable version.
Okay.
So you want to take this thing on the go. I want you to try to lift this thing up because I don't think you can.
Like the entire thing?
Like the entire thing. Like feel the weight on that thing. Yeah, see? See?
I thought you were kidding for a second, but basically what he means is once this is in place, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, this thing has a lot of weight behind it, which is awesome. So
you need
22 inches, so big surface.
Yeah.
Plenty for your to-go, beach, camping, any kind of RVing.
Any place. Yeah. So it's manageable, it's portable, but it's once it gets there, it's staying.
And it's solid, so that's nice.
And tell me about this price reductions, because when we first started, I was kind of surprised because, you know, the supply chain issues and inflation, all that kind of stuff you hear. Once prices go up, they don't ever come down. That's not the case with you guys.
It's not. And for the first time, I think in a long time ever with Weber, we saw materials come down, a little bit better on freight.
Yeah.
So actually, we have a $150 price drop on our Genesis grills, all the way up to $250 in price drop, depending on the model.
That's saying something.
It really is, and it's trying to make it more affordable and better for everyone out there.
It's given that the customer gets the inflation and they never get it back. So it's nice to hear somebody giving it back. So that's a great thing. You're passing that along to the customer, which is a great thing.
We are, yeah.
You got to show me this. We started talking about this. Yeah, this is awesome.
This is our Traveler grill. This cool is super neat. Right here on the side, a quick little handle. You pull this, watch this thing drop down. See that little red slide piece right there? Locks right into place. You lock it there, and your grill is now on the go. Store standing up like this. Yeah. And then all you gotta do is drop it down, pop that side on the side, drop that, step on the little red piece. Bam.
That's insane.
You're ready to go.
And this is propane.
This is
gas, right?
Runs off 1 pound cylinders or a 20-pound tank. Either way. So lots of cooking surface, plenty of space for you.
I wanted you to share that because we've got so many boaters and fishermen and outdoors people that grill and fish and hunt and all that sort of thing. This is absolutely perfect, man. Really, really perfect. Anything else, man? Anything else you want to talk about? You guys have got all these accessories.
Absolutely.
You got the fish baskets that we appreciate, grill covers. All of this stuff is right here.
Weber
in front
has
of the store.
all the accessories you could need. Grill-wise, our Spirit 210, 310. That's the heart and soul of a lot of the business in here. It's great at a $4.99 retail on up from there. So a lot of great grills. The Genesis is also redesigned this year with that new lower price. So
Ray, great job. Awesome.
Thanks a lot.
Very nice to meet you. Guys, come by and see him here. It's G&E Hardware right on Cedar Neck Road in Ocean View, Delaware. Huge. I'd call this the Weber Superstore is basically what I'll boil it down to. They've even got Weber shoes. Weber shoes, guys. Come on, check them out. We'll see you again in just a couple minutes. Stay tuned for a little bit more Hooked on OC.